Kalat oh.
This is the gang side of LA actually.
The gang side?
Yeah, this is not safe. It's not safe here. Most of the people you see are gang members.
How did you know?
Homeless.
Yun yung MacArthur Park.
Yeah, that's MacArthur Park. That's the ultimate no place.
Why?
No, what?
There's murderers there as well.
Murderers?
Yeah. Okay, time to show off. I'm in MacArthur Park.
There's a lot of cars.
Oh, look at that, Sash.
Yeah, sure at MacArthur Park.
What is there to see?
Nothing. Just gang members.
Kalat no?
Wonder Woman.
Let's drive slow.
So park there.
I don't think that's a good idea when you're at MacArthur Park.
Hindi ka naman nakababa eh.
Sasha, enjoy the sights.
She's looking around.
Yeah, very good sight to see gang members.
Ay. What is that building there?
Oh, that's the hospital in GTA 5.
Oh, Museum of Art.
Wrong answers only.
What is that? Oh, it's a comedy game show.
Bakit ang bagal eh? Turista rin siguro to.
With no plate number.
Hindi niya alam kung saan siya pupunta.
Ang gulo ng ano natin.
Lafayette Park. This is
in 1/4 mile, turn right
famous in
onto
the game.
South Virgil Avenue.
Listen to me.
I saw this in the game.
In what?
Lafayette.
What game?
Gran Turismo.
Oh, Gran Turismo. Oh, this is where I can play.
Oh, yeah. Ayan o, basketball, look.
Oh, look, it's...
Pwede?
Oo, mukhang.
I-mark mo na yan sa Lafayette Park.
Maybe tomorrow morning when I wake up.
Sa McDo na tayo mag-breakfast and then let's go there. Let's bring the breakfast there para wala nang oras na sayang. Feet. Wala pala.
Proceed 4 miles on the current road.
4 miles.
May Target siguro dito. Hindi maganda yung view ko pag ganito.
Ayun na yung Hollywood sign na malapit na tayo.
Are you going there?
Oo, yun lang. Tapos that's it.
Eh, may mga bata. Saan tayo nag-hotel nun dati?
Don't remember. That's a long time ago.
At yun, better yung hotel natin doon, no?
Okay. Saan na doon lang tayo? Hindi rin pala. Sans. Mas maliit yun. I remember. Mas maliit yun. Single bed.
Eh, siguro yun lang available. Yun ang in-order mo. Pero, look at that. It's a foot clinic. All about feet. Diyos ko, ang binibig ko.
Beverly Hills Boulevard.
It's just Beverly.
Oh, I remember this. Meron akong kuha dito since nagda-drive ako.
Okay, patay ko na. Parang ano to Chicano neighborhood, no? Yung itsura.
Patay.
Lawyer no sweets.
Ang ganda ng, is that blossom? Cherry blossom. Parang bougainvillea. Pero maganda yung sa photo mo. Hindi nila mapapansin na ano. Dried up na siya. Cherry blossom na, pero dried up na.
Anong cherry blossoms?
Yung cherry blossom na. Alam ko hindi naman natin nakikita yung ano outside. Diba? Hindi mo siya makikita talaga kasi private property siya.
Ano yung ano doon? Yung parang
Paakyat. Pero malayo. Malayo yung sign.
Oh,
Santa Monica Boulevard.
Exit. Yun yung observatory, oh. Di ba, ma'am, nakapunta tayo?
yeah, that's the observatory.
You can go there, but you cannot see the sign.
Ooh, supercuts.
Melbourne Avenue.
Qi Dynasty mama. Ito yung mga Chinese. Ang sarap.
Riley.
What do you mean?
Sigurado ka 7 yung ano ha. Game.
Ano ba ngayon? Thursday, no? Ay, hindi. Wednesday, no? Yellow light na yun, ha?
Ano ba yun? Huwag ka masyado.
Rules are different here.
Or yellow light, magre-red na. Just go straight to North Vermont Avenue. Lalampasan mo pa yan Los Feliz Boulevard. You go straight. Kaso
Kaya nalala ko na to. Mga private subdivision.
nandito yung mga di ba? Mga celebrities.
Over here?
Yeah, I might see some. An observatory together.
Yeah, what if LeBron lives here? What if you see Anthony Davis? He lives in Chicago.
In 1/10 of a mile, make a slight right turn onto North Vermont Avenue.
You can find Franklin's house in real life.
Who's Franklin? Who's Franklin?
based in the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air.
Puro pataas na.
Look at that part.
Playground.
Many playground.
Up to the mountain.
Dapat si Lucas na nagtitake ng video nandiyan sa front.
Ears will pop.
Huh?
Ears will pop.
Oh, you can already see the view here. Oh, it's getting colder. No left turn.
Hindi muna tayo sa observatory.
Parang malamig dito.
Your destination is ahead.
Ayan. We take pictures here, you can see the sign. Di ba ma'am, nagpa-park tayo dyan. Tapos we just walk.
Paid parking yan dyan, Granta.
Yung parking fee.
Oo, kasi wala. Paid parking. Dito sa, ayun, doon ang bayaran.
Oh, di kayo na lang mag-picture. Can you see the sign? To the left. Yeah, you see it.
Wow. Welcome to LA.
$10 per hour. Wow. Papark ka lang.
Dati wala, di ba?
Pay here.
I can already see the observatory tower. Right there. Welcome to GTA 5.
Di ba dati, Grant, walang bayad? Init na init si Kuya o nakaubad pa.
Ayun wala. Griffith Park.
Asan ang Hollywood sign?
You said Hollywood
You have
sign.
arrived at your destination.
Hindi makita eh.
Hindi nga eh. Ayun.
Oh, I see it. It's there. It's the Hollywood sign. You can see it, Dad.
Okay. Take
It's
a
right
picture
there.
here. Oh, dito na kayo mag-picture.
Okay, I take a photos of it.
Kevin Hart
At the
lives
end of a
here.
mile, make a slight left turn onto Hillhurst Avenue.
Ayun, Staples na tayo ah.
Yes, Staples.
5 o'clock ka dala. Aga na.
No.
Ha?
Where do you want to go?
Beverly Hills type mo.
Beverly Hills.
Dito lang yun eh.
Beverly Hills and then Staples.
Just Beverly Hills.
Diyos ko, baby girl ko.
There's Beverly Hills there. Start. We're very malapit. Isn't this already Beverly Hills? Huh?
Start.
Miles?
In 300 feet, turn right.
That's the dog. Malapit lang, pero it's so
Proceed
far.
2 miles on the current road.
Basta pag 5:30 ka to.
It's fine. Down that way. Near hotel.
Gusto mo bang maaga ka dun sa center?
Yeah.
Paulit pa iba-iba yung ano mo ha.
Hindi, kasi para may makita na kayo dito, you need to burn a little more time. Or else, magtutunga nga ka dun sa start.
Pero 1 hour away. Teka.
How far are we from Staples Center? The gates open in 50 minutes.
50 minutes before the game starts.
No. 50 minutes from now it opens.
What time?
5:30.
1 hour and 20 siya, Grant. Kung mag-Beverly Hills pa tayo. Ha?
20 minutes.
It says
Pero
here.
hindi na, sige na.
Staples
babalik na
Center
tayo.
ba yun, Luke?
Yes.
Figueroa?
Yes, Figueroa.
Oh, 1 hour and 20, Grant.
Sige na. Okay, get your, wait mo na.
Wow, padaanin mo si Lolo, oh.
Yan, mama. Start.
We're gonna be there at 5:09.
Puro parallel naman to start. Parang pag pagila.
No, that no sweets.
Bakit dito tayo pinadaan?
Kayo
This is the
pumili.
fastest route.
Take it out kasi. Para you can remove it properly. Tingnan mo yan. Kinuha mo sa ilalim. Diba? Oh, now. Dito sa...
Kasi ano siya, start, hindi live no? Yung GPS, hindi live. It's just a map. Pero kung Waze, bakit ba yung route na binigay siya? Kasi live siya. Good morning, beautiful. Ready for another adventure?
says they're Los Angeles. And look at the hindi pala Miniper.
That Chick-fil-A looks so fancy.
Wala ng tubig. Lagyan ko ng tubig mamaya.
Okay. Look at that Taco Bell on the left. Oh, it's still closed. This looks like Makati.
Not BGC.
Makati. I mean, same thing.
LAPD.
Oh, it's LAPD. LAFD. This is the fire
Fire
department.
department.
Ito na pala ang downtown. No?
Jollibee
Yeah.
for $27.
How much?
$27
For what?
for a bowl bucket. There's a Walgreens.
Dami na pala dito. May Walgreens na rin. Lalakad-lakad ka na.
Zanky chicken. Chipotle is on the left.
You have arrived at your destination.
Why'd you turn right?
Saan ka magpa-park dyan? Di ba parking to?
Residents only. Ito may
Nasaan
bayad
yung Chipotle?
It was
Andun
right
sa
there.
kabilang side.
$2, sayang. So, ikot ulit tayo.
Hanap tayo ng ibang Chipotle na ano, may parking. Wala siyang parking eh.
Ito, sentro eh. Ang dami mong makikita.
May bayad. Ayan o, $12 flat rate.
Hindi ba $2 yung isa? Per hour?
Yeah, it's a
$2? No, look.
yeah.
Sayang pa din.
Hindi ko na alam ah. Medyo clueless na ako where we're going.
Search of a Chipotle.
Ito, Alex, sino ako magkano?
Let's say a price.
Siguro dahil nasa downtown tayo.
$10 flat rate.
Mahal.
Expensive to park. What? And we already complained about 50 peso parking.
In 400 feet, turn left onto West Olympic Boulevard. At the light, turn left onto West Olympic
Hindi
Boulevard.
nakikita eh. Ano yan?
Chipotle.
Ilagay mo dito yung telepono paano.
In 200 yards, turn left onto South Hill Street. In 150 yards, turn right onto West 11th Street.
One way yun yan.
At the light, turn right onto West 11th Street, then turn right onto South Hope Street.
Dapat turn right ka naman. lane.
White lady?
Bike lane.
At the light, turn left onto South Olive Street.
May one way eh.
One way left naman eh. So you can turn left.
Saan?
Dito, Olive Street. One way left siya eh. So you can.
Dapat yung tayo sa kabila.
Left pa yan. Paunahin mo dapat siya.
In a quarter of a mile, turn right onto West Olympic Boulevard.
Nainit si Kuya oh.
Are you allowed to do that? I've seen so many people do that.
Okay. And we're gonna ride on Olympic Boulevard.
At the light, turn right onto West Olympic Boulevard, then turn left onto South Hill Street.
Really issued this. It's fun.
Oh, it's gonna be
Left dito.
Hill Street.
At the light, turn left onto South Hill Street, then your destination will be on the left.
Isn't this the same place?
We don't know, look. Let's see. Oh, yaw mo na sila, look. Grant, nagmamadali eh. Oh God, Grant. Maghintay ka naman ng konti.
Pwede yan dito.
Your destination is on the left.
Did I get into
Yun.
Yun.
Public parking talaga eh. Pati sa side, Grant, may bayad eh. Hanap tayo yung mga nasa labas. Hanapin ko na lang yung ano. Teka. Hanap ako ng may mall. Teka. Yung sa pinuntahan natin yan.
Yun natin na.
Oh, look at that. That's Kobe.
Head northeast on South Hill Street toward West 5th Street, then turn left onto West 5th Street.
Left tayo ng 5th Street.
In 1,000 feet, turn left onto West 3rd Street.
Left tayo dito.
Fourth pa lang to.
Walang left eh.
Fourth pa lang to eh.
Saan tayo magle-left?
Third.
So, even one way. Kanan.
Ayan o, Mexican o.
At the light, turn left onto West 3rd Street.
Bakit kailangan
Ganda.
Chipotle?
Hindi ko nga maintindihan.
Ha?
Iikot nyo na yung mga mata nyo. This is the fuel trip already. Para hindi sayang gas. I have cough medicine here, Sash.
Hindi yan cough, allergy yan. gusto mo na Asian box or king bowl kung China. Ano yun? Holy shit, cat.
In a quarter of a mile, use the right lane to turn right onto the California 110 North Harbor Freeway ramp.
Look at that.
Puro graffiti. Nabuti nga wala na ka natutulog eh.
Sa tanghali na. We're gonna ride 0.3 miles Harbor Freeway. 0.2. Did you bring tissue? Sash?
Yeah.
Mahingi tissue, please. Thank you.
Tayo magra-ride?
Thanks, please. Harbor Freeway. Dito na naman tayo sa Figueroa. Dito yung ano, look. Staples Center. Around Figueroa. After Figueroa, mag-ano ka na, mag-favor to the right. 110 North Harbor.
Malayo pa yan?
17 minutes. Ayun.
Nag-iikot-ikot tayo. So, mag-Chinese theater na tayo. Tapos let's see along the way kung may makita tayo.
Ha, Chinese theater.
What do you think? Hindi ba?
Parking yun.
Who's he talking to?
Head northwest on West 3rd Street towards South Figueroa Street, then use the right lane to turn right onto the California 110 North ramp. Use the right lane to turn right onto the California 110 North ramp, then use the right lane to take the California 110 North ramp. Merge onto California 110 North, then take the US 101 North exit.
101 North, so you turn left.
Ilang minutes pa?
0.2 miles.
Take the US 101 North exit, then use the left 2 lanes to take the US 101 North ramp. Use the left 2 lanes to take the US 101 North ramp.
Hollywood dapat, punta na dito. Ventura.
Continue on US 101 North for 6 miles.
Huwag ka masyado dumikit yan, Kat.
There's a 7-minute slowdown on US 101 in 2 miles. You are still on the fastest route.
Tapos saan tayo?
Highland Avenue.
Ang exit. Ilang minutes?
5 minutes? 5.9 miles.
Ang exit. Bago mag-exit.
Opo, traffic ka. Nagkamali yata tayo, Kat. Ang daan. Kaya tumagal siya. Exit 9B. Hollywood sign.
Ayan, Hollywood sign, no? Sash.
Less foggy now.
Sash, that's the Hollywood sign.
Hollywood sign.
Huh?
Hollywood sign.
Oh yeah, you can see it.
Hollywood sign.
Ano to? Hindi. Hindi nga.
Netflix.
So parang babalik din tayo sa sign. Hindi naman. Nine tayo na.
0.5 miles.
So, next exit.
Favor to your right.
In a quarter of a mile, take exit 9B toward Highland Avenue, Hollywood Bowl.
Dito na tayo. Hollywood Bowl.
Take exit 9B, then keep right at the fork.
Malinis.
Keep right at the fork, then turn right onto. In 800 feet, use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto Highland Avenue.
Yan na yan agad.
Hollywood Bowl. Oh, malapit na nga tayo dun.
At the light, use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto Highland Avenue.
Sa Hollywood sign ulit.
Kasi yun din yun eh, sa area yun, diba?
Best Western.
Kakanan. Kakanan tayo. 0.4 miles.
1.4 miles. Hollywood Holiday Inn Express. Anong card tayo kakanan?
Hollywood nga. Hollywood Boulevard.
So hindi pa yun. Dali. So lipat na ako sa mali. Para hindi tayo mabitin.
0.2 miles.
May 2 miles pa.
Yeah.
In 200 yards, turn right onto Hollywood Boulevard.
Johnny Grant Way.
He's an actor. you know that Johnny Grant is an actor? Look, Kasash.
0.1 mile. Yan na yata.
Oh, there's a dinosaur.
At the
Look,
light,
they're not.
turn
Sash.
right onto Hollywood Boulevard.
Sash, the dinosaur is stuck there.
Oh, there's McDonald's beside it. We can eat there. Para mag-picture-picture na tayo.
Oh,
dyan.
this is rip. Please believe it or not, it's so small.
Yeah. Hollywood, oh yan, picture ka dyan, Hollywood Museum.
Ayan na yung... Ay, hindi ka makaka-ride on Hollywood.
On red.
Hindi, may harang eh.
Ay, may harang na.
Ay, may Spider-Man.
Oh,
Oh.
Spider-Man.
Alex, let me warn you about those, those are scammers.
I know.
They will take your camera and say, you want a photo with
Ay,
us?
Mickey Mouse.
Yan, oh. Mga scammers yan eh. And you will have to pay them. They will really hold your camera. So don't talk to them. Just say no thank you. That's their business. They really give time in taking you pictures of you. Para you would realize na you need to give them a tip. Siguro mag-pay, di ba?
Hindi tayo mag-park sa kainan na lang.
Oh, we're here na.
Yeah, we're here.
Nasaan yung ano?
Ay, may shooting grant.
Hollywood Bowl. Di mas maganda.
There's a commercial.
Ano, dito ba? Park? Hindi.
Huh?
Hindi pa, no? Pay here.
Okay, in advance.
There's a shooting
Turn
there.
right onto Hawthorne Avenue.
Uy,
Hoy.
so dikit.
Wala bang kainan na parking?
Parking enter here.
In 200 yards, turn right onto North Orange
Hindi na tayo
Drive.
mag-park dyan eh.
Hindi ka nang hinayang.
Eh kung gas ka naman ng gas, talo ka na rin sa $10. Kasi may mga photo op na dun sa area.
Turn right onto North Orange Drive, then turn right after the Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf, on the right.
Turn right. Ano daw? Dito ba mag-right?
Right on Orange.
Oh. East LA? East LA College?
Is it?
Is this East LA College?
And then turn right.
I need a picture here if it is East LA College. Last chance.
At the
to
light,
basketball.
turn right onto Hollywood
Hindi ko
Boulevard.
makita kung
Then
magkano
your
yung
destination
parking.
will be on the left.
May Miniso.
30 minutes with free
Movie
van.
locations tour. Take a picture. Yeah, Madame Tussauds. Nandito na pala lahat. You really have to go down. Nasaan yung Chinese theater?
Ayan nga, may shooting nga sila. Kaya tingnan muna natin. May shooting grant.
Who's the actor?
See, walang right.
Nandyan na yung theater, no?
Hindi ko alam kung nandyan.
Ayan na.
Ayan nga.
Oh,
Hindi tayo
ganda.
makakapunta, Grant. May shoot eh.
Oh yeah, that's the Chinese theater.
Yep. So tama, mag-park na tayo.
Hindi tayo, makakapunta ba tayo?
Yes!
Let's La La Land.
Ayan o, yung may mga walkway. Hindi na pwede i-close
Madame
yan.
Tussauds. Wow.
Shooting area lang, hindi pwede.
Ayan, may Marshalls. Tingnan mo kung may parking si Marshalls.
Can I eat, please? While you're at Marshall's,
Ayan,
can
oh.
I eat?
May Target at Marshalls.
Oh, that's
Dito
the
na
walk
tayo
of fame.
kumain.
Oh, dito na
The
tayo.
stars, the thing, the stars on the ground.
Why is there a pair of shoes up there, Sasha? The sign.
Look at that ice cream for $5. That's so expensive.
So, ikot tayo, no?
In 500 feet, make a U-turn at North Sycamore Avenue.
Oh, ito dito, $3 or 4 hours. Pwede na dito sa
In 300 yards, turn left onto
$3 for
Franklin
4
Avenue.
hours.
With validation from cinemas.
Look, there's a castle.
Tayo
12
magpapark.
noon to 3 p.m. Tuesdays.
At the light, turn left onto Franklin Avenue, then turn left onto North Sycamore Avenue.
Mag-left, sundin ko yan, no? Para ibalik tayo doon.
Hmm.
Sundin ko yan. Left daw.
Yeah.
Ang sabi niya.
Left on Sycamore Road.
Turn left onto North Sycamore Avenue.
Avenue pala.
In 300 yards, turn left onto Hollywood Boulevard.
Ganda, no? Ito mga artista yung may-ari dito. Artista, producer. Ito parking signs.
Meron ako nakitang $8 parking.
Target siya, eh, oh.
Ha?
Target.
How do you know?
Ayun, may
It says Target.
Ako walang bayad. Mag-target ka na lang muna.
Can we eat?
Yung parking. Target, di ba? Yun, no? Target.
Pero bakit blue?
We'll find out.
Can we eat also?
Oo, teka.
I'm starving.
$2.50 for 15 minutes.
Shit, $20?
Maximum. One first. No. 2.5.
LA Fitness. CVS, first 60 minutes.
Dapat may resibo ka.